Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. Today's video I'm going to show you beautiful ladies how to layer your skincare products properly. I did a beginner routine for beginners who are learning and trying to get comfortable with their skincare product and skincare routines. If you have not watched that video and you're a beginner, I would advise you to do so. The video is on my channel. You can just search for skincare routine. I'll also check the skincare playlist. It is going to be there for you to get yourself acquainted to. However, if you are there and you just want to advance and know if you are actually doing this right, if you're properly doing it, then this video is for you. So subscribe to my channel if this is something that interests you, and make sure you follow me on my Instagram, because that is where I do post first-hand content about products that I use. And yeah, that is one thing. Again, I'm going to be sharing in this video some new products that I've been using, and I want to kind of either rave about it, and I do have old favorites, of course, that are always going to be in my routine. So let's get started. Whatever it is that you do for skincare, your goal should always be healthy. Whether for self-care or for skincare, let me put that again. Your goal should always be, you want to be in a healthy space, a healthy state. That is going to help motivate you and inspire you to keep reaching out for the best and what is best for you. And you know, it also helps you connect with your body and connect with yourself and know what works for you and what does not work for you. A lot of us are always buying products, buying here. I am guilty of that because I do have skincare conditions. I just love to keep my skin at a certain state, and most importantly, keep it healthy. So I have been using some products. My face is already cleansed. That is why there is not going to be washing. So the number one thing you want to do when it comes to skincare, self-care, is for you to always cleanse your face, whether you're oily skin, dry skin, or normal skin type, whatever that means in your own dictionary, and whatever you feel like your own skin type is. Always have a cleanser that is going to appropriately cleanse your face inside out. The next thing that is supposed to happen is to tone your face. One toner that have come to stay for me is the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel Toner. This is a two-step routine. And this one that I particularly am going to be using in this video is the extra strength one. The step one is meant to exfoliate and smoothen your skin, and you just wipe it around your areas, always paying attention to doing it inside out like this. And the step two is an anti-aging neutralizer, which is supposed to go on 2 minutes after the step one. The next step is to use your serum. Take your serum as the engine oil to a car. Once your engine oil in your car is done, nothing else is able to work, and that is what the serum is able to do to the skin. It is like the driver it sets the stage for every other product that you're going to use on your skin to work effectively, work better, and to be maximized. So I got this Urban Skin RX, which is not a new product to me, and on this channel, if you are an OG, I was traveling sometime in November, and I wanted something serum to carry, and I saw this and I decided to buy it to try. This is my first time try. That was my first time trying it, and I've been using it since then. This is the Even Tone Super Glow Serum. It has 10% L-ascorbic acid and kojic acid, and the L-ascorbic acid is supposed to come as a third step in your routine because it is an antioxidant. You are advised to use an antioxidant based product in your skincare routine, which is usually your vitamin C. But now that this is combined in a serum, there is no need for you to use an additional vitamin C product when you have this. However, if your serum is something else, another active ingredient serum, and not this, does not have vitamin C, you have to try to incorporate an antioxidant based product in your routine. Yeah, so a full pump of this is what I'm going to be using because I work it on my face and on my neck. This gives a sticky feeling once you apply, but it also does not peel. There are some serums that when you use them, most especially if they have this sticky jelly thing, once other products go on it, it kind of like peels up, peels off your skin and creates some kind of texture, but this does not do that. The next step is usually not for everybody. If you are a normal skin type and you don't have any skin condition like you know, you don't like acne prone skin, or you're a dry skin type and you don't have texture issues, it is not one size fits all for everybody. Just because you are oily skin does not mean that your skin is going to be breaking out all the time. Just because you are someone with dry skin does not mean that your skin is going to be all texture bumpy all the time. The people that still have it best are people with normal skin that don't have to worry. They just have the balance of everything. So the next step is for you to use a treatment product. It is usually cream consistency, and it's kind of now that you've applied your serum and your serum has set the stage for every other product you're going to use, this is the best time to actually use your treatment product. This is the Kills Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. This is for texture because it has retinol. It's really in microdose. It does not it is not a like heavy duty, so you can use this during the day, because I know a lot of people use their retinols at night. This is a low dose one, so you don't have to be afraid to use it. It's also a daily strength, like you can use this every day and not intermittently. So I just apply this because again it's cream texture, so this is my treatment for today. My treatment could be anything. It could be benzoyl peroxide, most especially if you're someone with acne prone and you are actively breaking out, so you need something to like stop your breakout. Or it could be a zinc suspension product, or azelaic acid, you know, whatever it is that it is going to come after your serum. So you just gently apply this. Again, I'm going to reiterate that whatever your skin type is, make sure you always get product that will cater to your skin type need. Just make sure you tailor your product to your skin type. It helps you see result better. It helps for these things to work better for you. So this moisturizer is something I started using a few days ago. I ran out of my clearance moisturizer, and I got this as a gift with purchase from a very good brand, a well-known brand that I trust. This is a medical grade moisturizer. Actually, it is manufactured by the Alex MD, Irvine, California, alexmdphd.com. That's a lot of name, I don't know, but it's the 365H Defense Moisturizer. I love how sleek this is. Antidotal skincare, and it is just medicine in a bottle. Basically what it is for all skin type. You apply it twice a day, morning and evening. Guess what I love about it is the mechanism to bringing it out. So let me come closer. So you pump it, and this is the product. You just pump this here. How can I do this? You pump this here and the product comes out here. So I just swipe it out a little bit, and that is what I love about this. I have been leaning towards moisturizers that are pump based as to dipping your finger, and most of my products I've actually been leaning towards that. I wish mask products, you know, face mask products can come like that, you know, but a lot of mud face masks and all that come in a tub and you have to dip your finger, and that is not really good when it comes to skincare. But yeah, I love this so much. I've been using it. There is no scent to it. I can't tell you guys yet if it is working or if I love it or not, but I am willing to go the entire 9 yards with this product, because my goal for 2024 is to use every skincare product I have. If it's working, if it's not working, so long as I have put money to buy it, I am going to use it, because I'm not going to waste anything this year. I'm not going to waste skincare products. I'm not going to waste money buying something that I will not use. But I didn't buy this, so if it's not working, I can easily keep it for someone that might enjoy it. But to talk about how it makes me feel, it is very, very lightweight. There is no scent to it. It is that typical moisturizer you get from a med spa or your dermatologist, and you don't have a choice but to use it. And yeah, if you're someone that is leaning towards clean products like that, this is definitely for you. I'm going to see if they have definitely they have a website, so I'm going to link their website just for you to take a look at what they have. So the next thing that we have to do, so let me ask you this 3 questions. A lot of people don't know how to layer their moisturizers and their oils, and people run away from oils because they just feel like it is too much. Now, everything that you're going to use on your face has to come in very, let me not say minute dose, but very normal size dose, so that you don't overdo it. Sometimes when the products are too heavy on your face, it will cause you to break out, it will cause you to have bumps, it will work in reverse and not work for you, rather work against you. So you have to be very conscious of the amount, the quantity actually of what you apply on your skin, because you are using a lot at this point. Like, I have used a serum here, I have used another treatment product here, I have used a moisturizer. So all these things are supposed to go on your skin, and if it's something you're just packing a whole lot of it and just slapping it on your face, then you're treating your face or your skin in reverse. So, and of course, work with the size of your face. If you have a bigger face, like surface area than myself, of course you have to, because sometimes the very tiny amounts won't really do it for you. I feel like I need to make a big crusade about oils. Like, I need to tell people more about oils. I remember when I used to rave about vitamin C, and people that I know and around me started embracing vitamin C. Now I need to start raving about face oils as a step in your skincare routine that is essential. Face oil comes in last before moisturizer. It is a myth to think that face oils are lightweight more than moisturizers. No, they are heavy duty. Face oils are heavy duty. They are concentrated. These are oils that contains every form of that contains all the vitamins or the essential nutrients in high dose. So they are heavier than your moisturizers. So your moisturizers just goes to seal your face, the hydration for your face, and yeah, but the oils kind of also now seals the moisturizer for you, if that makes sense. You will get the actual moisturization from your oil that your face needs. So the oil that I've been using lately is the Blue Tansy Repair Face Oil. This is from the brand Mintus Cosmetics. I got a sample size. I've talked about this in a previous video, but it doesn't hurt to talk about it again in case you missed it. I got this in a sample size and I used it. I liked it, and I purchased the full size. It is available to purchase here in the US, like through their website. They deliver worldwide, and they are also available physically in Nigeria, some outlets. Mintus, if you're watching it, leave a comment in the comment section so people can know about your business. This oil, you just need a little, like I just put about 1.5 drops on my palm, and I put it on my face more in a dab motion, and not something like this thing, but sometimes I forget and I just swipe it, which it doesn't also hurt if you are swiping it on your face. But your oils come last in your skincare routine, last before something else, and you guys know what that is. That is your sunscreen. If you are not using sunscreen after all this, you are doing nonsense. This is not going to work. Your face is not going to be the face that you are desiring and picturing in your mind, because you are still leaving it vulnerable to the oxidants in the air, the free radicals that will cause premature aging, breaking of the skin, elasticity loss of skin elasticity loss, and all those things that are not good and healthy for your skin. So it is important that you always seal everything that you do with a sunscreen. And this is where I am going to lay to rest your notions about mineral sunscreen. People also stay away from mineral sunscreen, but do you know that if you layer your skincare product properly, that white cast that you run away from your mineral sunscreen is going to be non-existent? That is because when you apply oil as your last step of your skincare routine, the oil is going to be the, how will I put it now, the body for your sunscreen to catch onto. So this is it. Just even on my palm already, you can see how lightly the cast is, the ashiness or this thing, the tint is. And when it goes on my face and adheres to that, latches onto that oil, there is no cast on my face. This is something I've been itching to bring to you guys. I've been itching to bring this hack to you guys, because a lot of people's mineral sunscreen is my favorite. I do have non-mineral sunscreen here, which is the Supergoop Glow Screen Golden Hour. I love this as well, but I wanted to show you guys that you can confidently use your mineral sunscreen without worrying about that white cast that it leaves. That is only possible if you layer your skin care products properly. So yes, this is it. I have applied it right here in front of you guys, and there is no single cast on my face, and I can go out like skincare routine done. This is an advanced skincare. It doesn't go any further than this. Anybody that tells you that there are more things you need to add or that is missing here is lying to you. This is intermediate to advanced level. It is up to you to decide if you want to use 2 serums, 2 different oils, 2 different moisturizers, 2 different treatments, and 2 different sunscreens. What is never going to change is what those products are individually. Like, that is not going to change. They are toners, they are sunscreens, they are moisturizers. You can't change them. If you like, use 10 of each at the same time, because that is what a lot of people do. They use multiple products at once, and it kind of confuses people. What exactly should I be doing or should I not be doing so? Or when you see people do this, then you feel like, oh, what you have done or what you are using is not sufficient. And that is largely the misconception about skincare. Ingredients interact, and when you use too many products, you are not sure of which one is interacting negatively, and at the end of the day, you don't know which one is working and which one is not working. And when you're not getting the results that you need, you feel like, oh, you have the wrong product. You do have the right product in most cases, but the problem is that you are using too much of everything all at once, and you don't know which is working, and your skin is confused. The worst thing you can do to your skin is to actually confuse your skin with too many products or layers or active ingredients all at once. So this is basically and definitely all that your skin needs. I hope you have learned something from this video today. Let me know if there is any other video you'd like for me to bring, and I will sure bring it to you guys. If you also want to see a nighttime routine, I think I have done that in the past on this channel, but if you want me to bring I don't think I have an updated nighttime routine, but if you missed it and you just want something fresh as a content or with different products from what I have used in the past, let me know. I will try to do so. And yeah, this is where I end this video today. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.